Hi children, today we are doing something very interesting in maths. Yes? Yeah. Word problems in subtraction. Alright? Listen carefully. It's a very interesting exercise. You will love it. Yes? Now, I'll tell you a word problem in subtraction oral. Listen, I'll tell you a story. Grandma, she went to the bakery and she saw some lovely, yummy, tasty muffins. What are muffins? Tiny, cute cakes. She bought 3 muffins from the bakery. She brought it home, left on the table. You came after school and you looked at the muffins. And what did you do? You took one and you tasted, you ate. Grandma came and said, I had 3 muffins. What happened to one? Then you say, Grandma, I ate one. How many muffins were there? Grandma had bought 1, 2, 3 muffins. So there are 3 muffins on the table. Grandma left. How many did you eat? You ate 1 muffin. So how many left on the table? How many muffins left in the plate? 1, 2, 3. Take away 1. 3 muffins you take away, or 3 muffins you ate 1. So 1 is gone into your stomach. How many left on the plate? 1, 2. So 3 minus 1. What is the answer you get? 2. So there are 2 muffins left on the table what grandma brought. You like the problem? It's a beautiful story. So we are going to do some small stories like that. Word problems in subtraction. Small stories for you to understand. And you can also see it on the board. It's beautiful and colorful. Yes? Subtraction. We are going to do story problems in subtraction. Shall we look at our first one? You can read it with me. First I'll show you the story. This is the story. And you will find out what to find out. Let's read it together. It's a word problem. Sona has 6 dolls. She gave 2 dolls to Renu. How many dolls are left with Sona? How many dolls Sona has? 6. She gave 2 dolls to Renu. How many dolls are left with Sona? Now, take your fingers. Count 6 on your fingers. How many dolls are there with Sona? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dolls she gave away? 2. So from the 6, you take away 2. 1, 2. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Shall we do the sum together? Look, the first. Sona has 6 dolls. So you put here 6. Look, Sona has how many dolls? 6 dolls. Next step. She gave 2 dolls to Renu. How many dolls she gave to Renu? 2. 1, 2. So we put down 2 here. 6 is here, 2 is here. Because she gave away, we put down minus. She had 6, gave away 2, so minus 2. Take your 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus means take away 2. 1, 2. 1 and 2. So now, our question is, how many dolls are left with Sona now? 6 minus 2. What will be the result? When you take away from the 6, Take away 2, you get answer 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. 6 minus 2, answer is 4. Let's look at the sum. So how do we write the answer? We write the answer. Sona has 4 dolls with her. Sona has 4 dolls with her. And look at the count all the dolls that she has left with. 1, 2, 3, 4. You like the sum? Yes, first we read the sum. Sona has 6 dolls. She gave away 2 to Renu. So 6 minus 2. 6 take away 2 gives you the answer 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dolls. So we write the answer. Sona has 4 dolls with her now. Did you like it? Good. Sona has 4 dolls with her. And we have the 4 here. And we write the numeral as 6. Minus 2 is 4. Very good. Did you enjoy the sum? Shall we go to another word problem and enjoy doing it together, reading together? Read with me. Geeta bought 5 bananas. How many? 5 bananas. She gave 2 to her brother. How many bananas are left with her? Read it again for me. Geeta bought 5 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She gave to her brother 2. That means take away 2. 1, 2. How many bananas are left with her? There were 5. She gave away 1, 2. How many left? 1, 2, 3. Good. Let's do the sum together. Geeta bought 5 bananas and you write 5 here. How many bananas? 5. So you write at the side here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You write the numeral 5. That is 5 bananas. Now, she gave 2 to her brother. She gave away 2. So we write 2 here. 2 bananas to her brother. She had 5 and she gave away 2. When you give away, what must you write? Minus. So we write the sign here minus. 5 bananas minus 2 bananas. Look, take a finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 2. Take away 2. 1, 2. How many left? 1, 2, 3. So we write the answer 3 here. So 5 minus 2 gives 3. So how will the answer be? The question is, how many bananas are left with her? Geeta has 3 bananas left. Geeta has 3 bananas. Look at the bananas over here. 1, 2, 3 bananas left. She had 5. She gave away 2. Now 3 bananas. So we write the answer as Geeta has 3 bananas left. 5 minus 2 is 3. Did you enjoy doing it? Isn't it very interesting? Good. Shall we take another word problem? Read together and do it together. Good. Let's read this. This is your problem. Kamala bought 3 eggs from a shop. So Kamala goes to the shop and she buys 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Kamal bought 3 eggs from the shop. He dropped 1 egg on the way. Poor Kamal. He dropped 1 egg. He had bought 1, 2, 3 and he dropped 1 egg on the way. Now the question is, how many eggs are left with him now? He had 1, 2, 3 and he drops 1. And so he has got 2. Now let's do the problem together, shall we? Kamal bought 3 eggs from a shop. So we write down 3 over here. 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs. Now let's say, Kamal, he dropped 1 egg on the way. Slipped and fell. So we'll write 1 here. 1, 2, 3. And he dropped 1 on the way. by mistake. So from 3, what it dropped to -1. We write minus here. 3 eggs minus 1 egg. How many left? Good. 2 eggs. Answer is 2. So how many eggs are left with Kamal now? 2 eggs are left with Kamal now. 3 eggs, 1 drop. So the answer, we write the answer, 3 minus 1 is 2. Very good. And we write the answer like this. Kamal has 2 eggs left. Very good. How many eggs? Count the eggs and see. The answer, 1, 2. 1, 2. Kamal has 2 eggs left. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Kamal has 2 eggs left. Did you enjoy doing it? Did you understand? Word problem. Good. Shall we take another word problem? Read together and do it together. And do. Come on. Let's read the problem. There are 9 balloons with Renu. How many balloons with Renu? 9. Count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. 2 balloons burst. 1, 2. 2 balloons burst. The question is, how many balloons are left with her now? We must know how many balloons are left with Renu now. Yes? So you take your 9 finger, take away 2 finger. Okay? 5 and 4. Take away 1, 2. So we have 5, 6, 7. Let's do the sum together. The Renu has 9 balloons. So we write 9 here. How many balloons Renu has? 9. Renu has 9 balloons. We write the numeral 9 here. How many balloons burst? 2 balloons burst. So we write 2 here. 2 balloons burst. So we write 2 here. It burst. 2 balloons burst. So it will be minus. We put down minus because 2 burst. So minus 9 balloons that Renu has minus 2 balloons. How many left? You tell me? Yes. 7. 5 and 2. 7. So 9, numeral 9 minus 2 gives you the answer. Number 7, numeral 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. So how many balloons are left with Renu now? Renu has 7 balloons left with her. So we write the answer like this. There are 7 balloons left. How many balloons left? 7. There were 9, 2 burst. So the answer is there are 7 balloons left. The balloons left, shall we count and see? Yes. Look what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 balloons left with Renu now. You like the problem? Did you enjoy doing it? 9 minus 2, 7. So Renu has 7 balloons left with her. Good. Shall we take another problem? Here is your problem. Let us read together. There are 8 flowers in a plant. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flowers in a plant. 2 fell down from the plant. 2 dried or faded, fell down. So 8, take away 2. 1, 2. Now, question is, how many flowers are left in the plant? So you have 8 here, take away 2, you get 5 plus 1, 6. Now, let's do the sum together. There are 8 flowers in a plant and we write the numeral 8 here. There are 8 flowers in a plant. Good. Next. How many flowers fell down? 2 flowers fell down. So we write 2 here. Good. 2 fell down. So we take away. Write the sign minus. 2 fell down. So minus 2. There are 8 flowers in a plant. 2 fell down. So we write minus 2. Take 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 2. So take away minus 2. 1, 2. So what will be the answer? 5 plus 1, 6. What is your answer? 6. 8 flowers. 2 fell down. So minus 2. Your answer is 6. So how many flowers are left in the plant? 6. How will you write the answer? There are 6 flowers left in the plant. How many flowers? 6. This is how you write. 8 minus 2, 6. You write the answer. There are 6 flowers left in the plant. Let's count all the 6 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6 plants. 6 flowers left in the plant. 8 minus 2 is 6. Did you enjoy this? Good.